Well, here we go. We got the steering wheel all done and it's dried good, and I've driven it around a little bit, but something that I was really tickled about is I got the mower deck under it. And I had to do some pulley work, and the belts, I'm still using the same belts that was on it, but I'm going to take some video of this thing mowing. It does a pretty good job. Well, when I started working on that mower deck, I found out the reason why that mower probably sat idle for so long. And this is one of the drive pulleys for the mower deck spindle. And what really happened is somehow or another, at one time or another, they busted a hunk out, and then their fix at that time, they just welded the shaft and the pulley all together. That was an awful sight. So anyway, I looked at the least destructive way to get this pulley off that shaft without tearing that shaft up. So yeah, the weld had never really stuck to this cast iron pulley. So the pulley still was on there kind of loose, and it just wasn't going to work that way. So fortunate for me, I got on our good friend eBay, and I found a set of pulleys. And boy, I couldn't be happier than that. I had to cut another keyway in that shaft and true it back up, but man, working good. Well guys, everything is looking good, and I tell you what, really pretty proud of the little tractor, and did a good job mowing, and so it's got a home here. So as always, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.